Alright, students. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning,
Miss.
All right. Thank you for attending in this class. Today, we will continue our lessons. But before that, please present all of the students that attend here. Swardini, as the lead of the class, please present who is absent today. Ada absen nggak Swardini? Sudah masuk semua ya?
Yes, Miss.
Alright. Jika sudah masuk semua, hari ini kita akan lanjut ke pelajaran selanjutnya. Sudah siap untuk belajar? Are you ready for studying today?
Yes, ready.
Yes,
ready.
Right, thank you. But before that, we have to pray for the gods. So Ardidi, please lead your class for pray the gods.
Baik semuanya, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran pada pagi hari ini, mari kita berdoa sesuai dengan keyakinan masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Doa selesai.
Okay, thank you, Swardini. All right, students, today's we will have to practice some of the tasks, but before we continue to our lessons, I'd like to look at about your grooming. Alvin, okay, it's good. Ardiawan, okay, Ardiawan, and then RG, okay, it's good. Putra Astawa, Surya, right, thank you. Swardini, all right. Your grooming is a good, and then we will continue to the silence, yeah. Look about the silence and do it first.
Kita sebagai salah satu budaya kita, mari kita melakukan silent. Silakan ambil posisi duduk siap atau berdiri dengan tegak sesuai posisi Bapak Ibu dan hadirin semua. Posisi tubuh tegak lurus, pandangan lurus ke depan. Biarkan nafas mengalir secara alami. Tarik nafas perlahan, ucapkan dalam hati dengan kata so. Hembuskan nafas dengan kata ha. Dan lantunkan salam damai Om Santi 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 Om.
Okay, students. We will continue to our study today, but I'd like to explain that we have to for 4C ya. Jadi Ibu inginkan kalian untuk bisa menghasilkan 4C. Yang pertama itu, the first is critical thinking, that you have to learn or to think some critical thinkings, and then the second is collaboration. You have to collaborate some ideas with your friends in the groups, and then communication. You can communicate all of the discussion that you have to show in your class with your friends. Jadi Ibu inginkan kalian ada kegiatan di sini yang 4C. Yang pertama ada critical thinking, kemudian collaboration, dan communication ya. Jadi Ibu inginkan kalian bisa melaksanakan kegiatan hari ini dengan baik dan benar. Alright. Now we will continue to we will continue to our material today. Have you seen our material? Bisa dilihat nggak?
Yes, Miss.
Alright, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Now we have two new materials by me, ya. Oke. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran di sini melalui proses menggali informasi itu kalian bisa mencari contoh teks, kemudian unsur kebahasaan, terkait teks prosedur. Oke, hari ini kita belajar tentang prosedur teks. Ya, kemudian melalui proses menggali informasi bisa melatih membaca. Kemudian setelah membaca, kalian mengkomunikasikan hal-hal sulit yang kalian dapatkan. Dan yang terakhir adalah mencari ataupun mampu membandingkan, ya, membandingkan gambar. Nanti kalian mencari informasi yang ada di sana. Okay, in our daily life, we often have to perform some steps to make or get some things done. Most of our daily activities are related with steps to do something or making something. Yeah. Okay. Who has been in the restaurant? Siapa yang pernah ke restoran?
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Elvin, and then Swardini, Elvin and Swardini. I have one question again. What do you find in the restaurant? Elvin, apa yang kamu temukan di restoran?
Waiter or waitress and food, Miss.
Okay, thank you ya. Waiter and waitress. Oh, good. And then Swardini, what do you find that in the restaurant?
At the restaurant, I can find the table, menus, and chairs.
Okay, menu. Okay, tables, menu, and chairs. Okay, thank you. So we have to talks about the menu today. Which one that you have to learn about the recipe, yeah? Because you are a culinary class, so you have to familiar about the recipe here. Then you have the task in the end of the in the end of the school. You have to explain about what are the ingredients, what are the steps that you have to explain about the recipe for the guests. Ya, jadi di sini karena kalian adalah kelas kuliner, jadi kalian harus familiar sekali bagaimana resep itu dibuat ya, baik berupa bahan-bahannya ataupun langkah-langkahnya ya. Okay, today we have to discuss about the first task ya. Jadi di sini tugas individu kalian yang pertama itu setelah Ibu menjelaskan bagaimana kalian harus melihat ataupun mempelajari resep-resep yang tadi Swardini sebutkan itu benar sekali, it's correct about we have to learn about the menu and then we have to learn about the recipe. So today I have two texts that you must read it first. And then you can find about the difficult words. Okay, this is the first text, how to make sunrise mocktails. And then the second text is how to make a create vanilla ice cream with orange sauce. Yeah. So I give you 5 minutes, and then you have to fill in the. Sorry, we have to fill in the Google form. I give you the link, yeah. Wait a minute, please. Okay, I give you the share screens today, and then you have to read about the. Okay, this is the find it. Okay, the response is. Okay, we will continue to the links. Okay, here we are. This is the links that you have to use, and then you fill in about the difficult words, and then which one the sentences that you find that difficult words. Yeah. Okay. I have to collect the answers. Okay, exercise today freshly, yeah. Okay, you have to read about your text here, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Miss.
Please read it. Okay, jadi tadi Elvin sudah dapat kata freshly, ya. Elvin sudah dapat kata freshly. Kemudian sekarang silakan dibaca satu kalimat yang menunjukkan Oh, ini loh saya dapatkan kata sulitnya freshly. Coba Elvin dibaca dulu.
Ya, Miss.
Ya.
Ask freshly squeezed juice for a early appetite.
Oke, Elvin, jadi bagus sekali sudah bisa menjawab, sudah bisa membaca, hanya saja ada beberapa spelling kata yang harus benar-benar diperhatikan ya. I give you what do you call it? I give you the example that how to read about the sentences that you have defined about the difficult words. Okay, use freshly squeezed juice for the healthier alternative. Could you repeat once again, Alvin?
Ya, Miss.
Ya, silakan diulang lagi sekali caranya membaca. Yang tadi mungkin agak kurang dalam spellingnya. Sekarang coba gimana caranya Alvin membaca satu kalimat yang Alvin dapatkan freshly tersebut.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, please.
Use freshly squeezed juice for a healthy alternative.
Oke, very good ya. Sudah ada caranya membaca bagaimana membaca yang baik dan benar. Oke, I have some. You have floatish here. Please read which one the sentences that you show one difficult word that you find in the text.
Okay, footage. My advice.
Silakan.
Footage. My advice is to skip the fog. No one floated in their virgin sunrise mocktail.
Okay, thank you, Swardini. Alright, there are some exercise you have to find it. Jadi silakan nanti setelah kalian mengisi Google Form, ini ada di LKPD ya. Kalian kan sudah download semua ya LKPD yang Ibu kasih kemarin. Jadi silakan itu diisi, kemudian nanti dikumpulkan ataupun dijadikan satu nanti dengan temannya, dikumpulkan di Swardini ya. Nah, selanjutnya read it first ya. Jadi kita lanjut kita kembali dulu ke taks 1 dan taks 2. Itu silakan dibaca dulu paragraf pertama. Yang the orange juice, just orange juice. Maybe RG or who want to read it, you can raise hand first. Jadi silakan siapa yang ingin membaca mewakili temannya satu paragraf saja, yang orange juice saja. Raise your hand please. Okay, RG, thank you RG. Alright RG, you have to read the first what we call it, the first paragraph, orange juice, just orange juice, until sunrise mocktail. Okay. Alright,
orange juice. Use freshly squeezed juice for a healthier alternative. There are plenty of great bottled versions out there if you don't have access to fresh. My advice is to skip the pulp on one voltage in the virgin sunrise mocktail. Non-alcoholic sparkling soda and
thank you RG. Stop it. Okay, stop it. Thank you RG. You have a good what we call it, a pronunciation in the first sentences, yeah. But there are some mispronunciation when here we are oranges. You have to mispronunciation in no one wants Plutus, yeah. So this is the you don't have access to fresh. My advice, yeah, here. My advice, free sparkling wine, I highly recommend it. It is to skip the pulp. No one wants Plutus in their virgin sunrise mocktail. Ya, jadi di sini gimana kalian membacanya di sini adalah no one wants. Ya, Bisa dipahami, RG?
Bisa, Bu.
Okay, thank you, RG. Yeah. So we have to continue to the second text. I'd like who wants to read the first paragraph? Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand, please. Who want to read the first steps in the second paragraph? Sorry, in the second text. Suardini, maybe you have to read the first paragraph. Ardiawan. Okay, Mahendra. All right, Mahendra.
Yes, Miss.
All right. You have to read the first paragraph in the second text here, from the ad meals until the better sauce.
Okay. Add milk and eggs to blender and the combine and the flour setengah a cup at a time, blending after each addition to ensure there are no lumps, and pinch of salt and melted butter, then blend for 30 seconds until you achieve a silky consistency. Set acid in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to rest. Will a reset make the orange butter sauce?
Okay, thank you, Mahendra. Yeah, all right. You can turn off your complicated that you have to read about the text. Very good that you have to read without the pronunciation. But I hear that you have some pronunciation for to blender and combine. All right, listen to me, yeah. Add milk and eggs to blender and combine. Add the flour half, ya, bukan setengah, ya. This is setengah that you have to mention in Indonesian language, ya. Okay, very good. It's okay, no problem. Add the flour, add the flour half a cup, ya. And then to ensure, so you have to speak it about to ensure, spell it to ensure 30 seconds until you add it smooth, silky, consistently. All right, so very good to Mahendra. You have to. Jadi sudah ada bayangan sedikit ya. Jadi kalian setelah Ibu kasih kalian pelajaran sebelumnya itu resipi itu seperti apa ya. Jadi di sana kalian bisa melihat bagaimana how about the ingredients ya, and then how about the steps ya. There are some steps you have to explain about the menu or the recipe for the guests, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to continue to the next session or the next task 3. We have to divide it for you with 3 groups, yeah. Group 1, Suardini, Widyase, Surya, Satria, and then group 2, Putra Astawa and Ardiawan, and group 3, Alvin, RG, and Mahendra. All right. So for today's, I have to give you breakout room. Yeah, you have to join to all the breakout room. Okay, students, we have to something like that. Yet you have to in your breakout room. Yeah, but before that, I have to share screen about the task 4. Yeah. The task 3, task 4, task 4, and then there are 2 picture over there, and then the picture 1 and picture 2, Picture 1, there is Blayak Semeksa, and then these are a menu of our Mansu kitchen. Ya, jadi di sini adalah yang pertama picture-nya, gambarnya adalah Blayak Semeksa. Kemudian yang kedua di sana juga ada menu dari, dua-duanya adalah menu dari Mansu kitchen kita di sekolah. Ya. Nah, tugas kalian adalah, so we have to continue to the next question. There are 5 questions over there. You have to answer in the break room, and then you have to in the break room, and then on the break room you have to discuss about the answer about how differences or the similarities of 2 pictures over there. Ya, jadi kalian di sana masuk ke breakout room, kemudian bisa kalian jawab di sana teksnya, soalnya ada 5 soal. Ya, are you ready to in the breakout room? Siap sudah ya?
Yes, already, Miss.
Alright. So we have to stop share screen first, and then I'd like to open the breakout room. Yeah. View the share screen. Okay. This is the text that you have to. All right. Here you are. Okay, Widyaseh and Suardini, you have to discuss about the text ya. Jadi silakan kalian discusskan di sini jawaban 1 sampai jawaban nomor 5 ya. Silakan berdiskusi dulu dengan Suardini. Silakan ngobrol ya. Apa jawabannya, kemudian nomor 1 apa, seperti itu.
To mention the question, the first is the picture.
All right.
Because the first is the picture is surfing with
Ya,
wave.
wait a minute. Oke. Jadi silakan sudah ya untuk kalian diskusikan di sini. Ya, kalian stay di room ini dulu sebentar ya. Jadi Ibu akan pindah ke grup 2. Group 2, have you discussed about the answers about 5 from 5 question that I give you before? Sudah dirembukan, sudah didiskusikan dengan temannya. Nomor 1.
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah, Bu.
Oke, sudah ya. Jadi kalian sudah bisa masuk di sini, stay dulu di sini sampai waktunya saya keluarkan kalian untuk kita kembali ke discuss ke main room. We have to discuss in the main room. Alright, I have to join to group 3. There are 3 persons here on the group 3. Yeah, so you have to discuss about what about the answer the question. Sorry, the question that I give you before. Ya, jadi kalian di sini bisa mendiskusikan 5 jawaban dari 5 pertanyaan yang saya kasihkan yang tadi saya kasihkan. Ya, kira-kira sudah selesai?
Ya, sudah.
Ya.
Alright. So stay here before we have to join in the main room.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Alright, students, have you finished to discuss about the text? Have you finished?
I'm finished.
Yes,
Alright,
thank you, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Alright, thank you. Now we have to discuss for the one group, and then one group answer the question number 1 and number 2, and then the second group you have to answer the number 3 and number 4, and then the other group have to giving the opinion about the answer of the other groups. All right, Are you understand what I mean?
Yes,
Yeah.
I understand, sir.
Oke, jadi silakan kalian sekarang berdiskusi menjawab pertanyaan 1, 2 untuk grup 1, kemudian pertanyaan 2 grup 2 itu pertanyaan 3 dan 4, dan yang nomor 5 itu grup 3 ya. Jadi we have to start the first group. Alright, I have to share screen first. For the question number 1 and question number 2, group 1, have you read your answer?
Yes, ready.
Yes. For the first question, can you mention two difference? Of those pictures, pictures 1 and pictures 2?
Okay, I am.
Okay,
I
Lydia.
answer to the question number 1.
Mhm.
The picture 1 is surfing with plate, and number 2 with box.
Okay. Picture 1 is surfing by a plate, and picture 2 is surfing by box. Okay. Number 2, ada 2 perbedaan yang diminta. Tadi kan baru 1 perbedaan. Perbedaan yang kedua apa? Oke, it's okay. Bagaimana kalau dari kelompok yang lain? Ada tanggapan?
Miss.
Ya. Oke, Mahendra. Is it correct the first pictures? Ya, is it correct the first differences? Sudah benar nggak perbedaan yang pertama, yang gambar 1 itu dihidangkan dengan piring, yang gambar 2 dihidangkan dengan box. Sudah benar?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay.
Tapi saya ada tambahan.
Alright. Yes, please.
Pix 1 is belayak and Pix 2 is chicken.
Okay, thank you. It's okay. It's good ya. Jadi sudah benar. Jadi Mahendra sudah memberikan tambahan Suardini ya. Jadi sudah lengkap jadinya ya. Okay. So we continue to the second question. Suardini, group the first group. What kind of service picture 1 dine in or take away? State your opinion.
Okay. For the pic number 2, the takeaway because it is serving by box.
All right. Take away. And then because it is serving by box. Oke, bagaimana kelompok yang lain? Is it correct? Benar?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. There are question number 1 and number 2. And how about number 3 and number 4? For the second groups. Surya. Okay, Surya number 3. What do you think of the material? Picture 2. Jadi picture 2. Silakan dijawab untuk mewakili grupnya.
I will answer number 3.
Number 3, yeah.
The material box bento, tomato, chicken, rice, mozzarella, salad, spicy mayo, and sambal hijau.
Okay, there are the material from the pictures number 2. Box bento, rice,
Tomato,
chicken,
mozzarella, salad,
salad, spicy mayo,
and sambal hijau.
Okay, sambal hijau or green sambal, ya?
Yeah, green.
Okay, thank you, Surya. How about the other groups? Is it correct? Sudah benar tidak yang dijawab oleh Surya? Okay, Surya, you can off your raise hand. Thank you. Sudah ya? Oke, kalau sudah, kita lanjut ke question number 4. What are the similarities of picture 1 and picture 2?
Miss.
Okay, Ardiawan, please.
Number 4. They are based on make by rice as imagine serve include chicken in the ingredient.
Oke, jadi di sana dijelaskan bahwa persamaannya sama-sama ada bahan rice dan juga chickennya. Ya, how about the other groups? Is it correct? Sudah benar, ya?
Right.
Okay, thank you. So we have for the next task, you have to making one paragraph, one sentences that you found about the difficult words. Ya, jadi silakan kalian sekarang task 4-nya mencari ataupun membuat kalimat baru lagi. Contohnya mungkin 1 atau 2 orang. Silakan Ibu kasih waktu 5 menit. I give you 5 minutes to make a sentence ya that you found about the difficult word. Jadi Ibu minta kalian sudah bisa membuat satu kalimat dari kata sulit yang kalian dapatkan tadi.
Okay, Miss, I will try.
Okay. Please raise your hand if you have to finish. Make one. Okay, Suardini, can you read your sentence?
As I will find the sentence, for the stir, please make sure you stir the juice.
Okay, please make sure you stir the juice.
Juice.
Alright, bagus sekali ya. Bagus sekali Suardini, makasih sudah aktif. Kemudian selanjutnya, please raise your hand.
Miss.
Okay,
I mean-
RG. Okay, RG.
I will answer a question. You can remove the dirty material in the plate.
Okay, remove ya. You have to find about the word is remove. I can remove the dirty material in the
Plate.
Yeah, you can remove the dirty material in the plate. Good, yeah, very good, very good. Evan, yes, please, Evan.
Yeah. Combine the ice cup, syrup, and simple syrup.
Okay, this is the difficult word is combine. Yeah, combine the ice cube, syrup, and simple syrup. All right, thank you, very good. All of the student very good. Ya, jadi hari ini benar-benar aktif sekali. Gimana kalian bisa menjawab segala taks dari taks 1, taks 2, taks 3, taks 4, dan taks 5. Oke, jadi bisa kita simpulkan. Ada yang mungkin kalian tidak mengerti atau gimana? Apa sudah bisa dipahami atau gimana?
Ya, sudah Bu.
Ya,
Yeah.
Alright.
Ya, sudah.
Okay. Thank you. If you have to understand about our material or our lesson today, jadi bisa kita simpulkan sama-sama ya. Jadi apa sih what are you learn in this class today? Have you answer my question? Siapa yang mau menyimpulkan apa yang kalian dapatkan hari ini? Raise your hand, please.
Bu.
Oke, Agus Mahendra. Silakan, Mahendra.
Yang saya dapat pelajari adalah membaca dan mencari kata-kata sulit dari 2 buah resep, Bu.
Oke, thank you ya. Jadi kita bisa we have the difficult words and read how to read the text ya. Jadi bisa kalian lihat di sana bagaimana kalian mencari kata-kata sulit, kemudian kalian bisa membaca 2 teks yang baik dan benar. Alright. Maybe the others? Raise your hand, please.
Bu,
Surya. Oke, Surya.
yang saya dapat di sini bisa membedakan 2 buah gambar makanan.
Oke, thank you Surya. Ya, jadi bagus sekali. Sudah mengerti ya. Membedakan atau mencari, you have to find it about the information that you look at about in the, what we call it, two pictures. Yeah, and then you have the differences, you have the similarities of the pictures ya. Jadi silakan kalian bisa mempelajari lagi bagaimana kalian mencari informasi dari 2 kata ataupun 2 gambar yang kalian dapatkan. Ya, 2 gambar makanan. Oke, the next. Selanjutnya yang terakhir, what we have to. Oke, Ardiawan. Ardiawan, yes please.
Yang saya dapat dari pelajaran hari ini adalah menulis kembali kalimat dari kata-kata yang sulit didapat tadi.
Okay, thank you Ardiawan ya. Jadi rewrite again about the difficult words, new sentences ya. Jadi bisa kalian lihat di sana bagaimana kalian menjawab ataupun mencari ataupun membuat kembali kalimat yang baru ya. Alright students, jadi sudah bisa kalian lihat di sana. Oke, bagaimana kalian mempelajari pelajaran hari ini, kemudian kalian bisa menyimpulkan lagi apa yang kalian dapat. What are your jadi sudah seperti itu hari ini. Untuk selanjutnya kita akan belajar bagaimana kalian mencari how to get the information about the language features, structure, generic structures about procedure text ya. Jadi tadi kan sudah ada gambaran sedikit ya bagaimana struktur ataupun struktur teks dari procedure text. Sudah ada gambaran kan ya. Jadi minggu depan kita akan lanjutkan ke procedure text. We have to learn about the generic structures, the language features of procedure text. Sudah bisa dipahami sekarang? Oke. Baik.
Ya,
Sudah.
Okay, thank you. So we have to end in this class, but before that, you have to pray for the God first. Suardini, please lead the pray for the God. Silakan Suardini.
Okay. Before we go on the class, we go to thanks for the God. Okay. You can start your thanks for the God. Have to finish.
Okay, thank you Suardini. But before that, we have to silent first. We have to silent first before ending this class.
Silahkan ambil posisi duduk siap atau berdiri dengan tegak sesuai posisi Bapak Ibu dan hadirin semua. Posisi tubuh tegak lurus. Mohon izin kepada penguasa seisi alam semesta, kami melakukan silent. Tarik nafas perlahan, ucapkan dalam hati dengan kata so. Hembuskan nafas dengan kata ha. Buka mata kita perlahan, letakkan tangan di dada, lantunkan salam damai, Om Santi Santi Santi.
Okay, student, thank you for today. And then we have to continue to the next session in the next week. Yeah, see you next week and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Goodbye, Miss.